I must recognize, I am impressed.
Why?
You packed only a small suitcase. I expected you will bring half of your wardrobe.
And now I don't regret it at all. I like the Spanish sense of fashion, and I will surely have a closer look inside the clothing shops. Also, less baggage means better mobility. I guess I followed my instinct, like you followed yours, when you chose to rent a Citroën Ami for the airport transfer.
I didn't follow my instinct. I made a very rational decision based on facts and probabilities. In order to arrive faster to the hotel, you needed a two-seats car that fits and slides easily on the narrow streets of Barcelona. Also, because we had to move through crowded places, I thought you may prefer an electric car.
You see, you made an intuitive choice here. I never told you that, but you did good. Intuition is what we access when we don't have all the information, but we still have to make a choice that will impact our future.
Like the Citroën team did with the new Ami?
If you are referring to the modern innovative design, the revolutionary mobility it offers, and the operational system supported by a mobile phone, then yes, you could say that. It was certainly a bold decision for an urban car. And did you know it was made to appeal to younger users? And you can drive it without a driver's license.
Me? Yes, I am young and I don't have a driver's license. I would like to give it a try.
I wasn't referring to you, A. This is addressed to humans, but who knows what will happen in the future?
We can peek into the future by following our intuition.
Miss A, you impress me. They should definitely make an exception for you.